Time to unplug.
Jack, what are you doing?
Scrolling. You?
Same. I've been on my phone since I got home.
What time is it?
Almost 10.
Already?
We ate dinner looking at our phones.
Did we? I don't even remember dinner.
Every day is the same. Wake up, check phone. Eat, check, phone.
3 hours of scrolling. I don't remember any of it.
When was the last time we really talked?
I can't remember.
This is sad, Jack.
Yeah, it really is.
Let's go to the beach this weekend.
The beach? Tomorrow is Saturday.
Exactly. 2 days, no plans. Let's just go.
Where?
A place called Seaside Cove, about 4 hours away.
How do you know about it?
A friend at work mentioned it. She said it's beautiful.
Should I check the car?
No, let's take the bus. Slow down and enjoy the ride.
The bus? That's different.
That's the point. And no scrolling on the bus.
No scrolling?
Just look out the window. Talk to each other.
I like it. Let's do it.
The ticket office.
Hi, 2 tickets to Seaside Cove, please.
One way or round trip?
Round trip.
When are you coming back?
Sunday evening. What's available?
5:30 and 7:15.
7:15. We want to enjoy the sunset.
Good call.
How much for 2?
$48 total.
Card, okay?
Yep, tap or swipe.
How often do the buses run?
Every 2 hours.
Is there luggage storage at Seaside Cove?
Lockers near the entrance, $5 a day.
Perfect. Thank you.
Gate 3. Boarding starts 15 minutes before.
The bus ride promise.
We're moving. This feels different.
Look at the city getting smaller.
About the no phone rule.
Let's make it official. Phones off until Sunday.
Deal. But maps in case we get lost.
Maps only.
And maybe one sunset photo.
You're already adding exceptions.
Fine. Phone off now.
Want some trail mix? I packed snacks.
You packed snacks?
Of course.
This bus is like a rocking chair. So relaxing.
Look at those hills, so green.
This is nice. Just us and the view.
Getting a map and local tips.
Hi, we just got here. Can we get a map?
Of course. Here you go.
Any must-eat restaurants?
Captain Jack's on the pier. Best seafood in town.
Is it expensive?
About $20 a plate. Very reasonable.
What about things to do?
The main beach is great, but there's a secret cove a mile south.
A secret cove?
Most tourists miss it. Short trail, about 20 minutes.
I love that. Any other spots?
The lighthouse on the cliff. Best sunset view.
What time should we go?
Before 6:30. Don't miss it.
Got it. Thanks so much.
Enjoy your stay.
The booking disaster.
Hi there. Can I help you?
Hi, I'm Jessica Miller. We booked the Ocean View room.
Miller. Let me check. Oh no.
Is something wrong?
I'm so sorry. Your room was double booked.
Double booked.
Another couple booked the same room. They arrived an hour ago.
So we don't have a room?
I'll refund you in full, of course.
But where do we stay? We came by bus.
Let me make some calls. I know everyone in town.
It's Saturday. Everything might be full.
Give me 5 minutes. Please have a seat.
The lucky break.
Good news! My friend Luna has a place.
Really? Nearby?
10-minute walk. And is better than here.
Better?
A cottage right on the beach. Private deck.
That sounds amazing. How much?
Same price as your original booking. I'll pay the difference.
You don't have to do that.
It's my mistake. I want to make it right.
That's really kind, Dave.
Here's her address and number.
Thank you. You turned a disaster into something wonderful.
That's what small towns are for.
The beach cottage check-in.
You must be the Millers. Come in.
Hi, Luna. Thanks for saving us.
Happy to help. This is Starfish Cottage.
Wow, right on the beach.
You can walk to the sand from the deck.
What's the door code?
3650, like days in a year.
Easy. What about Wi-Fi?
Password is on the fridge. Sandy Beach 2024.
Any convenience store nearby?
Sandy's Market 2 blocks north. Closes at 9.
We might need breakfast stuff.
Eggs and coffee are in the fridge. Free for guests.
That's so generous.
Check out 11 tomorrow. Key on the kitchen table.
Any house rules?
No shoes inside. And enjoy every minute.
Best rule ever.
Lunch at the pier.
Welcome to Captain Jack's table for two.
Yes. Can we sit outside?
Of course. Right this way.
What do you recommend?
The clam chowder is famous, and the fish and chips.
One of each.
Any drinks?
2 iced teas.
Coming right up. Are you visiting?
Yes, first time here.
Been to the lighthouse yet?
Not yet. Going this evening.
The sunset from there is unreal.
Everyone says that.
Because it's true. Let me get your food.
Thank you.
Buying something.
Welcome. What do you need?
Bread and some fruit for breakfast.
The strawberries came in today from a local farm.
We'll take a box and sparkling water.
Back fridge. Any flavor?
Just plain. And chocolate for tonight.
We have a local chocolate maker. Really good.
I'll try it. Oh, and sunscreen. We forgot.
Aisle 2, next to the beach toys.
Got everything. How much?
16.85.
Here you go. Thanks.
Enjoy.
Sunset at the lighthouse.
We made it! The lighthouse!
Just in time. The sun is going down.
Look at the whole horizon.
The sky is turning orange and pink.
I haven't thought about my phone once today.
Not once.
Not once. And it feels amazing.
Sometimes we need to disconnect to reconnect.
Getting double booked was the best thing.
Right? That cottage is way better.
Sometimes things work out better than planned.
Look, the sun just touched the water.
Most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
Counting stars on the deck.
Guess how many steps we walked today?
You checked your phone?
Only the step counter, that doesn't count.
Fine. How many?
Over 10,000.
No wonder my legs are tired.
The good kind of tired.
The I actually did something kind.
Look at all those stars.
Can't see this in the city.
I can see the Milky Way.
Right there, that cloudy band.
Jack, that's amazing.
When did we last look at stars?
I can't remember.
We should do this more. Just stop and look up.
Should we go to bed?
1 more minute. Just the waves.
1 more minute.
The ride home.
2 days without scrolling. I survived.
More than survived. You thrived.
I feel lighter.
That's what slowing down does.
Thank you for this trip.
What was your favorite part?
Getting double booking.
The worst part?
Think about it. No double booking, no cottage, no beach deck, no stars.
The worst moment became the best part.
Let's make a rule. 1 weekend a month, no phones.
I love that.
Doesn't have to be a trip, just being present.
Deal.
Look, the sun is setting again.
Still beautiful.